How to fix TikTok privacy settings. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is your solution guy Bimal, and in today's guide video I'll show you the way as to how you can fix your privacy settings on TikTok. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. Now first of all, just make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the TikTok app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your device's respective app stores. In the search box, typing in TikTok and go ahead and simply either download or update the application. Once you've updated the TikTok app, I want you to go over and then simply open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account, and after you are logged in, you can see that this is how it is actually going to look like. In order to fix our privacy settings, first we will go to our profile page, and once we come to our profile page, tap on the three lines on the top right corner of the screen, and we'll go to the option called Settings and Privacy at the bottom. Once we go to Setting and Privacy, at the very top you'll find the option called Privacy in this lock icon, so just go ahead and tap on it. Now, there are many types of privacy settings on TikTok. The first is that whether or not you want to enable private account, you can turn this on right over here. And if you want to actually turn off your active status, which means you don't want to let people know that you are currently active, you can turn that off as well. But in a result, you'll also not be able to view other people's active status. Similarly, if you look at the bottom, you can see whether you want to suggest your account to others or not, through contacts, through Facebook friends, through people with mutual connections, or people who open or send links to you. You could basically turn all of those. Now what you could do is go to interactions, and you could select comments, and you could see who can see your comments or anything as such. You could go to mentions and tags, you could go to direct messages, you could select who could see your story, who can duet your videos, who can stitch your videos, who can download your videos, who can see your following list, your liked videos, your post views, your profile views, your blocked accounts, and so on. This thing simply needs to be done by you reviewing them manually, and this is how you can fix your privacy settings on TikTok. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.